students, this is Miss Maykel here, and for our science lesson today we are going to be talking about plants, specifically what is real and what is pretend. I know that we did this already in class with you guys, and I would like to review this concept. I would like to encourage every single one of you to find objects in your house, objects that are real and objects that are pretend, and create your own little video about one thing that is real and one thing that is pretend and share with us. If you don't find any objects, you can draw one thing that is real and one thing that is pretend, and then you can create your little video explaining your drawing to the rest of the class, and you can share it in group. So for my video today, I'm going to talk about real and pretend, and I brought two plants here to show you the difference. Now, the first plant that we're going to talk about is my real plant. This is an aloe plant that I have in my house, and it's real. It needs water, it needs sun, it needs soil. Sometimes I need to cut it a little bit when you see these old branches coming out, and this is how I know that this plant is real. It is a real plant. Now I have another plant here that is not real. This is a pretend plant. So I'm going to go ahead and put my real plant away, and I have here a pretend tree. This tree is plastic. It doesn't have any dirt, just has rocks in it. It's completely made out of plastic, and I don't have to water it. I don't have to give it sun. I don't have to trim it because it doesn't grow. And this is my pretend tree, okay? So what you need to do is find one real object, one pretend object, and create your show and tell video to share with the rest of the class. For those of you who cannot find one real object and one pretend object, you can draw it. It's really easy. You can share your drawing with the rest of the class, and you can explain it to us. So let me just go ahead here. And this is, let's pretend this is my paper. I'm going to divide it in half, and in one half I'm going to write real, and in the other one, pretend. And I'm going to show that I know what's real and what's pretend with a flower. So I have my real flower here. Flowers have a stem, and flowers, real flowers, look somewhat like this. That's my real flower. My real flower needs soil, so I'm not going to have a floating real flower. I should put it inside a planter. And then my pretend flower is going to have hands because it's pretend. Plants don't really have hands. My pretend flower is going to have sunglasses, and it's going to be smiling. So I'm sure you can see now the difference between my real flower and my pretend flower. And the reason why I made these drawings is so that you guys know that you do not have to do it with objects. You can just do drawings. But if you could do a little show and tell video with two objects around your house, that would be great as well. So here's my real plant. And here's my pretend plant. And this is my video, my show and tell video, so that everyone can see my real object, which I already explained why it's real, and my pretend object. I am looking forward to seeing all of your videos and you doing the same experiment. See you next time.